So I'm going on a camping trip next week and I will be sleeping on my rooftop tent again, just like last time, and also I'll be going to the same place. However, I'm gonna have Fardod with me and he doesn't have any sort of tent. So I'm gonna build out the back a bed platform so he can actually sleep in the car. Right now, heading out to Home Depot to get some plywood. And with that being said, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another vlog. Let's just get going. Hi Dad, thank you for joining me and helping me with this build out. That's a nice truck you got. You know, you can make a camper out of here too. Look at all the space you have. Damn. All right, seatbelt first. Did I mention I leave only like 10 minutes from the Home Depot? Pretty convenient. Also try to drink some water and spill some water. All right, I'm pretty excited about this. Let's go there. Let's go. Drifting get here. Ding, 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 ding. All right, I love Home Depot.
Okay.
Look at all these. Ooh, look at that.
Okay. Ready this one.
That's actually good.
This
Okay.
one 1/2 inch. Okay.
Yeah, I think half
I
inch should
think
be
it's
good.
enough.
Yeah. We got the hood,
You see on camera,
and then we gotta get the. You have the screws and everything. Wait. I think we should be good, right? We good?
No.
I believe we're good. Yeah, let's go now build stuff. This whole thing is $200. Wow, inflation. Back to the home we come. I gotta move some cars because we got a lot of cars out here, and then start the process. I have a problem with this door apparently. There you go. Finally made it. Well, I got everything out of the car, and the plan is to create a platform right here. So when you have those seats down, because it doesn't go flush, you can have a platform from here all the way down, which is almost 6 feet, and have a little kind of like bed platform here. That's the plan. When I lay down, I fit perfectly fine. So it's gonna be 2 sections. One that goes from here all the way to here, and then it's gonna be another one on top of it, which hinges out and gets supported by these 2 seats right there. It's fairly simple, but we gotta execute it right because you do it once. Safety first. Got a double triple measure so it works the best. Like we almost went and bought another one, so we're gonna do like 4 feet for the width of it, and then whatever we have, so it's gonna be like 5 feet 30 inches, which is almost 6 feet, which is good. Probably around 5'10", so I can sleep in there. We are done with cutting stuff. It's just the tedious part of sanding these edges, and then we start building. We've been cutting, now we're gonna start building. Ta-da! I actually have to go back to Home Depot because I did buy two set of hinges, but we need 4 set of hinges because we adding another fold down. I'm going to show you guys when I'm back. So back to Home Depot we go. Again, it's amazing to have a Home Depot like 10 minutes from your house. It's amazing. 2 more of these I need. Got all that I needed. Going back home to finish the project. We still have to put the carpet on, which I don't think is gonna be hard, but I think it's gonna be hard. We'll see. So this is what I mean. It hinges out, stays, and then hinges back in, and this whole thing comes back up, and just like that. Perfect. I'm going up, or you going? Yes. Ready, perfect.
Yeah,
She's in. She is in. We thought we were done, but we had to do a little bit more trimming here and here for the seats to come back a little more. When I wanted to do this, I wanted to do it somehow so I can actually still use the back seats instead of either having them all the way down all the time or taking them out. So it's still useful. I can still put the stuff on here as well as have passengers in the back. Well, only thing left in my opinion is just the carpet. And I have already purchased the carpet, but we didn't have time to put it on the build the day we actually made the platform because I had to run out. But the carpet is ready and we just have to do some measurement and then glue it on. And I have 2 more days, tomorrow and then the day after tomorrow, to finish everything because we're leaving on Friday, which is in 3 days. So I went ahead and put everything in here. Ultimate goal is to have drawers coming out, but for now I believe I'm just gonna have to go to Home Depot and get some sort of a organizing box so I can have it either on this side or that side, preferably this side, so I can take everything out, put it on the platform if I need to take my cooking stuff or the utensils or anything else like coffee stuff that I need to out of the box and then take it to the table. And ultimately we're gonna have a table that is gonna drop down here. We didn't have time to go back in and get the wood for this, but we eventually will. Let me go find my dad and we can start the carpet process because I need to be in the gym in 45 minutes. He basically does everything and I just record videos, I guess. We got the carpet! We're putting the glue down so we can then put the carpet here and glue it all the way down. Pack it pretty good. And I think after that we can call it the day. Well, this is it for now. This is how it's gonna look like. We still have to tuck in these little bits and pieces, and then we ran out of the stapler to really tuck these stuff in. But this is pretty much it. This is the last piece to this puzzle, to this little project. Also be in the lookout for my camping video coming up later. Make sure to subscribe and also turn your notification bells on if you haven't already. And with that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it and comment down below if you have done something similar or if you want the dimensions to the bed platform. And with all of that out of the way, as always stay amazing. Until see you guys in the next one. Peace! The tent is set. The fitment. This is set.
Damn, son.